Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I want us to start off our analysis with the chart on my screen. This is the USD on this chart, if I don't say much, I'm looking for a sell. So I had a support here, I had a support here. There was this breakout, the price pulled back to the same resistance. We had a resistance here, we had a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So where the price is right now is actually a good place to look for a sell from. If you're on this chart right now, you should be looking for sell orders as long as the price is held below 134.619. We expect that the sellers will push price downwards towards this level here. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue downwards towards 130.637. The other chart is the Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, we still have our lines as we drew them previously. I had a resistance here, I had a resistance, I had a resistance, I had a resistance, then I had a support, I had a support, and I had a support here. If the price moves down and touches this horizontal, this diagonal line, then that should be the correct place to look for a buy from. So if you're on this chart as we're talking right now, you should be expecting a buy from along this trend line, expecting that the buyers will push us back to the upper side towards the trend line which you have at the top, which is this one here. The other chart is the natural gas. So on this chart, basically we are sellers, we are looking for sell positions. You can see that we had a very good trend line here, we had a horizontal support, the price broke below all those levels. So as we're talking right now, we are actually looking for sell positions as long as the price is held below this line here. The other chart, this is the other chart is the SP500. So in the SP500 so far, we are looking for buy positions. We assume that the break which we had below this point and then a return up, this was like a false breakout. So right now we are looking for buy positions. We are expecting that the buyers will continue to push price back to the upper side towards 4181.8. So look for buy position from within these two lines, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards towards 4181.9. The other chart is the this is Bitcoin, sorry. So with Bitcoin so far, we have a resistance, there is a break above, we have a break below, we have a break above, then you have a support here. So if the price pulls back down and touches 24,123.6454, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So if the price comes towards this point but does not break below it, this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. My other chart, this is Euro USD. On USD so far we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, there is a false breakout. So if the price pulls back down and touches this line, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So if the price should come down and touch this level, then that's going to be the best place to look for a buy from. My other chart, this is now Euro GBP USD. This is a good buy. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, there is a support here and also a pin bar. So right now on this chart, we are strictly looking for buy positions. We are expecting that the buyers will push price upwards towards this trend line here. My other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen so far, we've looked at this. So we'll look at gold instead. On gold, the price has not gone up to where we expected it to go up to. So we were actually looking for a buy. We had a resistance, we have a resistance, there's a break above, we have a support, we have a support. If the price pulls back down and touches these two lines, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So the idea is to watch for price to pull back towards these two lines, then pick a buy from there, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards with the first target here. The next target is this one. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.